this together.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday, one more day till Friday. We are going to school, obviously. I have my black polo on. Ellie has her white, and she's wearing her new shorts that she got. And it's pretty easy for her because, you know, like the boot, you have to wear, like, shorts is easier than leggings. So, we're gonna get dropped off while I have chapel today, and I have to take chapel notes. Ellie had chapel yesterday. Ellie doesn't take chapel notes, do you? No. Oh. So anyways, we don't know how today's gonna go. It's a little foggy outside. I think it's gonna rain today. It's always foggy here in Florida. Why is it foggy? The humid?
It's been foggy for 2 days.
It wasn't foggy. It wasn't foggy yesterday. It's a great day. I don't really know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's warm. Is it supposed to be warm today?
70.
70s?
This is what it is now.
Oh. So it's a little chilly outside, but I don't have a jacket, so that's a good sign. What? Oh yeah, I have cheer practice tonight. I think Ellie has dance. Don't you have dance?
No.
No. So she has it on Tuesdays?
I might go home with Emma.
Oh. I'm gonna get dropped off. I'll see you guys outside of school, and I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully everybody has a great day at school. I mean, at home or at school or wherever you are. Okay guys, I just got home from school, and school, it was actually a really good day. I really enjoyed it. There's not much to it. We went outside, we did a lab in science. We had to like run down the track. Well, I didn't run, obviously. I just measured the distance from like their starting point to like their stopping distance. It was like we're dealing with speed, velocity, distance, and time and stuff like that. So I came outside because I'm watching the dogs. I just let them out. We just got home. Ellie, I don't think doesn't have homework. The only thing I have is science. I just have to study for a quiz tomorrow, and I have like a few questions to answer about the lab that we didn't finish with our group. Like our group, like we're just like, there's 2 smart kids and then there's me. I mean, okay, so there's 3 smart kids and then there's me. So it's like Sierra, Montana, me, and Riley. Riley, he is the smartest kid, so he gets his work done. And then me and Sierra. Sierra's smart, but we just like are like mentally like, is that the right answer? Is it not? And then Montana is really smart too. So like, it's like, I don't know, I say like a lot, but it was a good day. Math, we had another sub. I believe we're gonna have another sub tomorrow. Everybody has the flu. Everybody's getting the flu, and I'm just like, please, please, please. I don't feel like it's the start of the flu. It's just my nose is so stuffy and my throat, and then I have a cough. And the cough only gets worse when I laugh, and then it sounds like I'm wheezing. Like, I have to actually get motivated. I have to film a video because me, Cameron, and Jenna want to hang out Saturday, and my mom said that I don't have videos done, so I gotta get motivated. And I have cheer practice at 7 to 9, and I'm excited for cheer practice. Come on, Stitch. Oh, mommy's vacuuming, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna get motivated. I threw on my PJs because I'm like, hate jeans. So yeah, I'm so excited for tomorrow. Oh yeah, and I have to tell my mom something about, because not this weekend, but next weekend is CheerSport. We don't have school on Friday, and that's great because I would be missing school on Friday because I have to leave to go to Atlanta. And then Monday we wouldn't have school, but it's a makeup for Irma, so we have to go to school on Monday. So it would have been perfect because I would have been back on Tuesday. Okay guys, so I got ready for cheer practice. I also filmed a video before I got ready, and then we ate dinner. We had like the square pizzas, and then we're on our way. So I practiced from 7 to 9 like always, and then we finally have another Sunday practice because this next competition is really huge, like really big. Like the warm-up stage is at least what Kaylee sent in the group chat. The warm-up pages, the warm-up backstage, like the area is huge. There's like 50 teams warming up at the same time, and there's like 10 stages. I don't know, this could be cool, and I'm excited to go. So, and it's in Atlanta, so I don't know how today's practice is gonna go. I'm excited because last practice was a really good practice, very positive vibes and like a good vibe. Ellie was playing Roblox. I was editing on the ground with Stitch. Mommy, you were on a call, right?
Many calls.
Many calls. Many calls. She's a very busy person. Mark, he was like doing a lot of the orders, I think, and then we got packages from Amazon. Oh yeah, and Mommy was on a call with the Oriental place where you buy like the toy things and like they send it to you, and we didn't get our package, and apparently there wasn't like a setup thing that was ready to like ship over here, so she bought more, right? Yeah, so we're coming out with more things with our merch store, so that's why we kind of like need it. Just a hint. Whoa, that was gross.
What?
Metro self-storage. I was looking in that guy's storage and it was like gross. It was a hoarder.
Maybe he lives there.
I don't know. So Mommy, I think she's staying for a few minutes. We would have been on time, but we had to go to the gas station. It's 7:05, I'm 5 minutes late. I'm always 5 to 10 to 30 minutes late.
Always. We were 40 minutes early the other day.
Yeah, that was the first time in a while.
Oh, whatever. We were early though.
And then they expect me to be late again. So we're here. We're gonna park. I'm gonna go cheer and then come home and then ice my body because I'm always sore and I probably should have shaved my legs. They're
Back there. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Great. No, I was coming. Amazon is somewhere. I never. You got me mistaken for somebody else. I'm like, hold up, for one, I have more downstairs. Like, you don't even see this
Okay, it's be stupid at practice time, I guess. They get free time. Kaz is flying. We got new flyers. The dance will be funny. Here goes the dance.
And like, I just want to go to bed. Like, that's all I want to do. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:43. I'm like cold and tired and I just want to sleep, you know, because I'm like tired because cheer practice. Oh, so feels great. I could literally fall asleep right now, you know? Okay, guys. So I just got home from cheer practice. I'll probably get up. I should probably get up, you know, because vlogging like this is like lazy. Oh man, I'm such a child. Look at this scratch I got. Look how. Ooh, little pump. Look at this scratch. It literally looks like a stitch scratch, but it wasn't. I literally got it 10 minutes into practice. I got it from baskets, and then now I have like this bruise here. No, that's not a bruise. This bruise here, that one there, and there's like 10 of them on my arms. I don't know where they are though. Ow. But, oh yeah, I got one right there. Then I got those scratches. It's just great, man. But that's the point of cheering. Like, you know, like being a cheerleader, that's what you get for choosing a sport like that. Now, so, cheer practice went good. It was a really good practice. I feel like we've been, like, getting a consistent good vibe, like, since practice from Tuesday. I don't know, I feel like we're gonna do really good at this next competition. But we had to stay a little bit after and talk to the coaches about, like, the competition and stuff, and then we just started chatting. And then we left about, like, 9:20-ish or 9:10, I don't really know, I didn't pay attention. Tomorrow, I have to edit 2 videos because if my friends think, like, if we're gonna hang out or whatever, I have to get those videos done. So I have lots to do tomorrow. I haven't really told you guys yet because I don't know if, like, it's true or not. But, you know, let's see. We were talking about the person wearing the sweatshirt or whatever, and apparently Valentine's Day is coming up, you know? Valentine's Day is next Wednesday. You know, you like have Valentines and everything. Well, I think Ellie may have like a Valentine. So apparently everybody's been telling me like the whole freshman, no, they're not freshmen. I don't really know what grade they're all in. But I guess the whole basketball team, and somehow Ellie is friends with these kids. And I don't even know them. The only kid I know is like, actually I don't know anybody. But Ellie knows them and she waves to them all the time. She talks to them all the time. Like, okay, whatever, great. And so apparently the school is doing like these candygram things. It's like where you can like pick to send them candy, make choir people sing a song around them. It's like, I think I explained this before. I swear I've explained this because like I remembered saying like, you belong to me or whatever. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it anyways. So apparently Ellie will be getting like 10 million of them. So I don't know, I just think it's kind of funny that my sister she has like 10 million Valentines and I don't even have a Valentine. That's like sad. Like, it's okay though. I'm proud of her and she's growing up really fast. So I'm just like so excited for literally Valentine's Day to like see how many she gets and if it's actually true, because like I feel like 5 people have already told me that she's getting 20 of them. So I don't know, I just thought to let you guys know because Sheeta has no clue about it. I don't think the elementary knows about it. Only the high school and middle school knows about it. And I don't even know who's sending them her. I just know it's like some of the basketball players, like I think their name's like Tyler and something, I don't know. I don't really know who they are, so we'll see. I just think it's kind of funny, like, but which sucks is because I won't be able to see it because I'm on a field trip. And oh yeah, also Washington DC is coming up. I think there's like a parent meeting next Thursday. Wait, I thought it was this Thursday. I think it's next Thursday. And then next week we are having like a meeting, like the school. In school we're like having a school meeting on like what's happening and everything. And I'm actually kind of scared who I'm rooming with. I don't know if it's going to be put with people like I don't know, or I'm going to be like put with people I do know. Hopefully it's, and apparently they take your phones at night, and the trip, like the drive down there is like 16 hours I think on a bus, and I don't know who I'm sitting with. Like I want to choose wisely because I'm sitting next to that person for 16 hours. They have to be fun. They have to be fun and fun. Oh, and okay, and then literally the day I get back from Washington, we leave and go to Orlando. I think it's in Orlando for a cheer competition. And so literally I get home, I go to bed, wake up the next morning, and we're gone. I'm like stressing out, and then it's spring break. And I hope there's like a certain bedtime, but everybody's saying you don't get any sleep. I'm sorry, but I am on the other hand is gonna sleep because I have to sleep. It's gonna be rough. I probably will sleep on the bus, like on the bus way back. A lot of people are taking the bus there and flying back. Ellie's already in bed, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And okay, the question of the day is, what are you getting your Valentines? Getting myself a box of chocolates, you know. See, actually, I wanted this for Valentine's Day. I wanted this for Valentine's Day, and it was in a vlog, and my friend got it for me, so now I have it. So I don't want anything else. You know what I want? I want a llama. You know what I want? I want Elizabeth to come down here. Let her be my Valentine. I haven't seen her. We haven't seen each other in... Yeah, all of her asking, like, where's Elizabeth? Yes, me and Elizabeth are still friends, I promise. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video, and bye, guys! Thumbnail.
Dreams aren't meant to be broken.